Hello guys, greetings and welcome to Zimzan's TV, your best TV channel whereby we give you updates concerning what's happening in the world, what's happening in the music industry, what's happening in the business sector, what's happening within the celebrities and the socialite circles. Thank you so much guys for subscribing to this channel, and thank you so much guys for being here. But if you are new to this channel, please click the button below, click the bell below so that you won't miss any update. When we drop anything new, you are the first person to get that update. So thank you guys, and please subscribe to this channel. And today we have a very popular issue trending right now. We have an artist named Seh Calaz Music. We all know Seh Calaz Music as a Zimbabwean dancehall and a reggae musician, songwriter who rose to fame with Motamorko Pera a decade ago. Seh Calaz Music has been battling ulcers and acids for a long time, and he publicly exposed his health status on Facebook recently, a week, and this is what he wrote. So after this, Seh Calaz Music, before that, he was advertising his album coming soon named Noah the album. He was trying to market his album Noah, and lately last year, around late November, he announced that he's not going to release the album due to some circumstances, probably because of his health status. He was fighting ulcers and acids. Probably that's why he even postponed the release of the album. So we saw a lot of people on media, fans, and other artists and other people, socialites, celebrities, and bloggers. They were talking about his illness. Some they were saying that this is maybe somehow linked to him dissing Winky D before. They say that if you fight someone who is quiet, trust me, the consequences are hard. So they say this is what happened. Nobody knows. I don't know. But yeah, so he recently, today, he released a song titled Mambo Ndimambo, A King is a King, whereby in his lines, he mentioned that he's the one who led to the demise of Magical Reggae Fire, Magical Reggae Fire, and is the one who even introduced Ngwere, Silent Killer, to the main spot. Is it true? We don't know. This is what he was singing about, Mambo and Ndimambo. And in one of his lines again, he mentioned that he is the one who frustrates the Kafa people. So this is what he said in his song. So we don't know, guys. This is what's happening in the music industry in Zimbabwe right now. We see that there is a battle now going on social media, and Magical even posted Sally Uchirikuda, which means this guys there is an unfinished business. And now let's see, the music is about to start. Let's enjoy the game. So yeah, guys, this is what we have today. We had the news of Seh Calaz Music dissing other artists and mentioning a lot of things in his song that people they want him dead, people they don't like him, people they hate him, people they sabotage him in every corners, whatever he tries to do, wanna try to move and stuff, but we don't know, guys. You don't know what will be there. It's also some fans to say let's enjoy the music and let's support them. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much. But if you are new to this channel, Zimzan's TV, please, there's a bell below. Click that bell so that you won't miss any update. As we post anything new, you are the first to get that thing. So please, guys, thank you for the support, and let's keep on supporting. We got lots and lots and lots of updates coming.